How's it going? What's up and what's happening, blessed beautiful souls? Kiara de Cass here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. Thank you for being here again as usual. So guys, today's video and today's content, I have, a few people in the community that do ask me to do and speak about specific projects. So there are some projects that I will speak about and there's some projects that I won't. This is one of them that I am going to be speaking about. I have spoken about this project previously before. And if you guys want to watch that, then make sure to hit that notification bell just above there, somewhere in the next couple seconds. And that little notification up there, you guys know that you guys can click on that to watch the next video. So for now, guys, you already know that I've been pumping these videos for you, doing a lot of cool things. So make sure you are staying absolutely tuned in right now, because there is going to be a lot of stuff that is going to be coming out for you in the next short little while. So let's not waste any more time. Thanks for being here with me, my beautiful community. You know you can go and trade this with me down in the link down below. Using my link, you will get a $30,000 deposit bonus. And if you guys want to make sure to make some profits, then make sure to be checking out what I do. Of course, not financial advice. And you want to see where you can invest at the right time into this project. So let's not waste any more time. This coin is called Apecoin. It is ranked 41. That's its logo. Name is Apecoin. Ape is the ticker. Sitting at $3.99, down 1.1% for the day on 86,000 people's watch list. Currently with a market cap of $1.46 billion with a 65 million trading volume and a total valuation of nearly $4 billion. So that's very good. It's got a maximum supply only of 1 billion. And in circulation, they have basically 37% of their coins in circulation already at nearly 369 million, which is great. You can come over here and check out their website. You can add the contract, copy, or add it to your MetaMask wallet up here. And so basically, this is where the coin was previously, and that was in May 2022 last year. You can see that April 28th, in fact, that was 1 year ago that it was at its all-time high. Very interesting, right? And today is the 28th, exactly. So 1 year ago, happy anniversary to Apecoin for falling on its face since that point. But guys, this is a really good time to get into this project. I'm going to show you exactly why soon. So make sure to stay tuned right now, right here to the very end of this video. So all-time high down from 2670 at 85%. We have $2.63 at the low and 52% up from there. You can come and get this on Bitmart, Coinbase, Gate.io, BitGet, BTCEX. That's very interesting because I do believe, and let me just double check that, but I do believe the Bybit and Binance do have Apecoin, but let's just go and confirm. Yes, they do. Yeah, so you can go and get it on the two biggest exchanges pretty much. So make sure to go over there and check it out. So the previous market cap at that point was sitting at 6.83 billion. So that's, call it a 4x from where we are right now. Okay, that's a 4x basically up to that high, but the high was 2670. So let's go and see 2670 divided by 3.99 gives us a 6.7x. Okay, so 6.7x to the all-time high. That's pretty cool. It will give us a very, very low market cap anyways, but let's go and have a look at what this project actually is. Okay, so you can buy and sell. Here's the marketplace. What's there about the governance, the proposals, and the discussion. You guys can come over and look at it. Very, very simple website here. Their social media stuff is down here in the bottom right-hand corner. You can see that over there. They are on Instagram and Twitter. So let's go and quickly see what this is about. So Apecoin is for the Web3 economy. Culture has found new expression in Web3 through art, gaming, entertainment, and events. The possibilities for blockchain's impact on culture are so endless that they can't possibly all be predicted yet. Ape is a token made to support what's next. Controlled and built on the community by the community, it will serve as a decentralized protocol layer for community-led initiatives that drive culture towards forward into the metaverse. The Ape Foundation, the DAO, the board, these are the members that basically started the project. And you can see that it's related to Bored Ape Yacht Club This is essentially the official coin, and if you own a specific amount of coins, you had access to the Bored Ape Yacht Club as an elite, pretty much. So it's an ERC20 governance and utility token used within Ape ecosystem to empower the decentralized community at building the forefront of Web3. So a lot of projects are trying to build in the Web3 space, which is amazing because we need competition because Web3 is beautiful. Okay, so apecoin allocation, you can check that out. But basically 62% is in the ecosystem. Yuga Labs and charity is 16%. 14% went to the launch contributors, and 8% is to the BAYC founders, which are these guys. Okay, so you can see all of that here. Come over and have a look for yourself. But basically, if you want a specific apecoin claiming for BAYC and MAYC, so Bored Ape Yacht Club, you can apecoin allocated per NFT or NFT pair. So Bored Ape only, you'll need 10,000, just over 10,000 tokens. Mutant Ape, you'll need 2,000 tokens. Bored Ape plus a kennel, etc., etc. So come over here and just check this out and see what this is all like for you guys. But let's go and see what the chart is talking and telling us right now. Because we are oversold on the RSI, and the RSI has now crossed over, and we are coming up and pulling up above this level, which I normally talk to you about. It gives us very strong buy signals. So we had this massive pump, and we pulled all the way back down, right down to that same very level that we pumped out of, which is generally what these coins do. We hit a level of resistance there, which would essentially become that level of resistance. And let me actually just draw this level of resistance in at that point, because that's essentially what that level of resistance looks like too. So yeah, right now we're not there, we're here. If we break out of this level of resistance, we're probably coming up to here to test this zone over here. Okay, which is great. So essentially what I would like to see from apecoin on spot, and I'll show you a trade because it's also a great place to take a trade right now, is essentially this breaks up through this level, hits this level, bounces back, then bounces up to here. At this point, we might meet resistance, come back down to maybe this zone before retesting, kind of floating in that area before a break up. Okay, now the breakup probably won't be as strong as that. We'll probably break up to that level of resistance before we come back down and then push up to that level. So multitude of different levels here to be very cautious about. But if you're buying on spot and you bought now, okay, yeah, I would say you can probably be patient and wait enough even for your spot to come up to here, which would be a 95%. Okay, if you wanted to just get out somewhere here, that would be about a 43%. Now, if you're trading this, guys, if you want to trade this, I'm going to say to you, you can take a trade. You can, not financial advice, because the RSI is indicating we've got support. There's a triple bottom happening here. This for me is a good trade from here to this. Probably I would say take profits up here, which is a 24% trade essentially. And at a 10x leverage, that is a 250% trade. So at that point, I would want to exit and then wait for the pullback before I take those profits and re-enter back in. Okay, multiple things there for us to look at. Now, guys, where do you think this coin could potentially go in the near term future? Just as an idea, because of where we're at right now, it's got a $4 billion fully diluted valuation, a $1.5 billion market cap. I reckon this coin could probably do about a 20 to 30x quite nicely. And at some point, that's because the NFTs, etc., will become very, very popular. So let's just say, let's just focus on a 20x, okay? 1466 000, yeah, okay, times 20 will give us nearly a $30 billion market cap. Now, a $30 billion market cap divided by okay, so that was a 20x. So, sorry, I don't want the divide button. Let the divide button go. Okay, so essentially what I want to look at is, okay, so that's a 20x. So 20x on the $4 would give you an $80 price on this coin. Now, its previous all-time high was at $26.70. So an $80 price on here would convert this into a $30 billion market cap. So I'm pretty confident that that is very doable. $80 a coin would be insane. And as I say, that's a 20x gain on your money, guys. You invested $100, you're getting 25 apecoin, and you're basically selling then each apecoin. So just let's call it, you're selling each apecoin for $80 times 25 will give you $2,000. So you spend $100 and you got a $2,000 investment return. I think that's a very modest ask of apecoin. I do believe it can do a lot bigger than that, but right now time will tell, and you're going to buy this coin very cheap. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Lots of love, and we'll see you on the next one. Beautiful souls.